This video explains how drivers can manage their service status. This means going into service or requesting to go out of service. This feature is available on Circle Mobile version 4 or later. To see your Circle Mobile version, open Circle Mobile app and go to the About screen. The version will appear with the Circle Mobile logo. To view your service status, go to the profile page of Circle Mobile. If you are allowed to see your service history, then the Circle Mobile profile page will have the following three panels. The top panel will show your name, email, cell number, assigned truck, and any assigned trailers. The middle panel will show the current service status, any planned or future out of service events, and action buttons like Go in service or Request to go out of service. The bottom panel will show your in and out of service history. Each of the three panels can be minimized or maximized by using the up arrow or down arrow at the top right of each panel. By clicking on the up arrow, it will minimize the panel, revealing more information in any of the other panels. On Circle Mobile, the status will appear in one of the following colors. In service confirmed is green. This means dispatch knows you are available to work. In service unconfirmed is yellow. This means you are due to come back in service, but have not yet confirmed you are ready to work. If you are allowed to confirm yourself in service, there will be a green button on the Circle Mobile where you can set yourself in service confirmed. Out of service is blue. This means you are not available to work. If you are allowed to confirm yourself in service, there will be a green button on the Circle Mobile where you can set yourself in service confirmed. Pending out of service is purple. This means you requested to go out of service via the mobile app and the request is pending approval by dispatch. On a load is orange. This means you are currently under load. If your current status is either out of service or unconfirmed in service, you will have a green button that says Confirm in Service. Press the Confirm in Service, say yes, and you are now back in service. If you are allowed, the middle panel of the profile page will show a blue button that says Request to go out of service. Click this and a new screen will appear with input fields you need to complete. You need to specify when, where, and why you are going out of service, when and where you will come back in service, and any comments you want to add. As an example, let's say that I want to go out of service February 15th at 1900, and I must choose a location, so I'm going to choose my home, which is Tulsa, Oklahoma. And the reason is that I want to go down for sleep. I want to come back in tomorrow at 8 a.m. at where my dispatch office is. And I'll put a comment in, needs sleep, and then click Submit. In this case, the app will show the out-of-service request pending dispatch approval. Once dispatch confirms the request, it will appear as a future out-of-service event. When you take yourself out of service or in service, the app location has 4 different options. Searching for locations means you put in a city and state, for example, Erie, PA, and do a search, and it will find various Erie PAs. Choose that as a location. The other kinds of locations are very simple. Your current location of wherever your phone is, your home, which is stored in your driver profile in the system, or your assigned dispatch office. The last panel on your profile page shows your in and out of service history. You can use the expand collapse icons of the 3 different panels to see more of the history. If you drill into a history record, you can see more details about the in and out of service record. If you have any questions about in or out of service, please contact your dispatch office.